Okay friends, today we will solve this numerical. Determine the coordinates xc and yc of the center of 100 mm diameter circular hole cut in a thin plate so that this point will be the centroid of the remaining shaded area shown in figure. Okay, all dimensions are in mm. So first understand the question itself. Okay, so we have to determine the coordinates xc and yc of the center of that 100 mm diameter circular hole. Okay, so let's say this is xc and yc. Okay, yc and xc such that this point will be centroid of the remaining shaded area, whatever this shaded area shown in figure. So this point that should be the centroid of this shaded area also. Okay, center of this shaded area. So I hope you understand the question. You have to determine the xc and yc. So the distance of the center of this hole from either x or y axis, that is not given in the question. So we have to determine that distance. We have to place this hole in this diagram such that the center of hole coincide with the centroid of the shaded area. Okay, so simply in the formula for the xc we'll put for the circle x will be equal to xc and y will be equal to yc. Okay, for the circle. Okay, we will see that. Okay, then again we can split this figure into three sub figures. So like area 1, so that will be positive area. We can take that area as a whole, this rectangle of, so 100 here plus that 200 by 150. Okay, 200 width, 150 height. Then A2, this triangle, so it is given 75, this 150, this will be 75 here, 75 here, and this A3, so that will be negative area. Okay, A1 will be positive area, whereas A2 and A3 will be negative area, because that is the cutting portion. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is A1, A2 and A3. Okay, this is area 3, A3. Okay, then again like in the previous numerical we can make the table like figure number, x bar, y bar for that individual figure and the area of that total figure, like this. So for rectangle, for figure 1 it is very simple. So this x axis, this is y axis. So x for this figure will be 100, 200 divided by 2, y will be 75, 150 divided by 2. So center of that rectangle will be centroid, area will be 30,000. Okay, then for this second figure, okay, for this rectangle, for this right angle triangle, for this right angle triangle, so for the standard right angle triangle formula will be like this. This is side B, so centroid will be b by 3. Okay, centroid will be b by 3 from this, and if this is height h, then from the base that will be h by 3, that will be h by 3. Now here is our x axis, and here is the y axis. Okay, here is the y axis. Now this rectangle is placed here like this, so similar to that rectangle, this will become b. Okay, this will become b, and this 100 will become h. Okay, this 100 will become h, and from this side centroid is h by 3. So from here centroid of that figure will be 100 divided by 3, h by 3. Okay, and from this side centroid will be here, so that will be b by 3, so 75 by 3. Okay, now we want that centroid from here, here and from the y axis as well as from the x axis. So for the y axis, okay, or for the x of that figure, so that will be 200 minus this 100 by 3, 200 minus 100 by 3, so that will be 200 minus 33.3, so that will come as 166.67. Okay, and for the yc, okay, for the y of this figure, so that will be this total 150, minus 75 divided by 3. So 150 minus 75 by 3, so that will be 125. Okay, mm. and the area, so half base into height, so 3750 mm square. Okay, then now here we don't know this x distance for the center of that circle as well as the y distance. Okay, we don't know this x and y, so that will be simply x and y here. Okay, that will be simply x and y here. Okay, so this is x and this is y for the pointer. So again, using the formula a1 x1 minus a2 x2 minus a3 x3 divided by a1 minus a2 minus a3. So this will be positive area, this triangle and this circle, they will be negative area. Okay, so putting the values in that formula, we will get answer as 90.475 mm. Okay, and similarly, so putting using the formula for y bar, so a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3, so that will be y. So solving it, we will get the answer as 67.857 mm. Okay, so in question it denote like xc and yc, so we can denote here is xc and yc. So that will be the distance of center of that circle such that the center of that circle coincide with the center of the remaining figure, So this center of the remaining figure and this is center of the circle. Again, this center of the remaining figure, center of the circle y bar. Okay, so that's the answer. Hope you will understand. If you have any difficulty, you can post that difficulty in the comment section, or you will try to solve any other numerical and you find difficulty, you can post it in the comment section. I will try to solve that numerical and post the video of it. Okay, this numerical was also asked in the part 2 end semester exam. Okay, thank you.